Hey, it's Matty P. I'm just at the AZ DIY in the Greater Toronto area. It's an exciting day for me. I just landed my first nose blunt slide that I've done in probably 20 years, and it wasn't that hard. Now, there's a lot of different basic grinds and slides. I've done all of them except for one, and that is the backside version of the nose blunt slide. So I just landed my first one in a long time. I can do regular blunt slides decently. I used to be able to do frontside blunt slides, kind of, little short ones, nothing that good, but I've literally done every single basic trick in the book, and I've wanted my whole life to do the backside nose blunt slide. So I think I found the perfect ledge, and I'm gonna show you why. So this ledge here, it's actually a piece of a bowl that used to be over in the corner that way that's currently getting rebuilt. But this was a piece of coping that you would grind. And the reason why it's been so good for nose blunt slides is that it's got a little bit of a lip. So when I get into the nose blunt slide and lock in, this kind of allows me to stay inside the ledge where I want to be. So it doesn't look like much, but it actually helps a lot. So when my board, a lot of times on nose blunt slides, you can slip out, but that is allowing you to kind of lock in a bit. And the same with this kind of angled part here. It's on a bit of a 45 angle, or not quite 45, but rather than a pure flat ledge where you have to get way over, this ledge just kind of allows you to lock in nicely. Also, it's not too long. I don't know how long that is, maybe only a 4-foot section. So you can hop on and hop off relatively easily. And because it's concrete and painted, it just slides like butter. So I gave it one coat of wax and it just, whew, it goes. So yeah, I'm turning 40 this year. My whole life I wanted to do this trick. I've been skateboarding since, I don't know, 93 or maybe even the 80s if you count having a little board and butt boarding around when you're a kid. But this is like a lifelong dream trick. So I haven't even tried it yet. I just got so stoked on the frontside one that I thought, oh, maybe today's the day for a backside. So wish me luck. It's gonna be so scary, but this is my first attempt ever. I mean, I've tried it on curbs and stuff, but this is my first real attempt at a backside nose blunt slide. Pray for me, please. Just like that, so easy, right? Oh my gosh. Oh my God, I just tried it. I can't even believe I just tried that. I rolled up once and I'm already trying to get into it. Perhaps I have jumbo cojones today. John Cargiel style. Oh my God, I can't even believe I just tried and got into that. That's crazy. That's crazy. Holy, that is working. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa. I really hope this is one of those things where it's easy at first and then it just gets progressively difficult and I try 1,000 times until I go home bleeding and crying, but I still have some more time. Oh man. Oh, that was so close. Oh my God, it's working. Oh, that's the scary one. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, it slides good. I'm 20 minutes in. The first ones were feeling like it was going down fast, and as usual, it's not quite happening. But I've still got some energy left. I'm still gonna keep trying. I can't give up yet when I'm this close. after, I don't know, 30 years of thinking about this in my head. Oh, that slides like crazy. Oh. Oh. I'm starting to lose energy. It's the full heat of the day. It's summer day. It's like 30 degrees and humid as hell. I'm just gonna give it a few more. And at least I know this ledge is the one it's gonna go down at, if not today, another day. But I'm not giving up yet. I'm gonna give it another 15 minutes. Whoa, no, no, no. A scary nose grind. I don't want that. Oh, it slides so good, maybe too good. Ooh! It's there, it's f***ing there. Oh my God. Man. Oh, what? Oh my God. Did you see that? Okay, normally in skateboarding, the faster you go, the easier it is. This thing slides so good. I think that's part of the problem. I'm going too fast and losing control. I'm gonna slow it down a tiny, tiny bit and see if I just get a little more control. So, fuck, that was so close. No. Why? Why is this happening? Oh, too fast. Oh, this is awesome. The puddle that was wet earlier, I kind of kicked it dry. What? Man, come on. Now it's too slow. No. No way. That was it right there. Did you see that? Fuck, you know. It's so close. I can taste it. Oh, I'm dying. I'm running out of water. I'm running out of energy. I want it so bad though. I maybe got another 10 minutes in me. Oh man. No. Just land it, man. Just waxing the shit out of it. Oh man. So the GoPro's got 21% battery left. My phone is dead. I'm sweating like a freak. I'm going until the battery's done. Wish me luck. I just want to get this thing done. It's so close. Oh man. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Again, I had to put back in my head to pretend I'm nose sliding on this part, just like Ed Templeton describes in some trick tip from however. Pretend I'm sliding this, not the top. And we're down to 11% battery now. Okay. Whoa! Why did I take my foot off? Come on, Matty. It's It's right there. Ooh, baby. Man. So, it's unbelievable. I landed one. I was so happy. And then I go back to check the camera and it went from 10 to 0 so quick. It didn't get the fucking trick. I'm not bummed. Like, I know I can do it again, but I had it. I landed a good one. It was so crazy. I put a song in my head from an old skate video, an old Alien Workshop video called Time Code with Josh Kalis. I'll put a little clip here, play the music, because I was playing that in my head and imagining Josh Kalis doing a back nose blunt or a kickback nose blunt or something in that video. And as I was thinking of the song, I landed it. So I'm now replaying this moment in my head and trying to get it on the damn camera. Lord. Well, I found another battery, so now I got some more time to try, I guess, but oh, I had it. Whoa, man, come on. No. Look at the nose of the board. So many tries. Oh, that's it. Oh, I hate when it sticks. Here's where we're at. We're now down to 68% of the second battery. The puddle's drying up. Man, it's 1:30, I'm so hungry, I'm out of water. I have to land it, it already went down. I have to land it again. Wish me luck. So I'm at that point where things just get harder and harder. Every try's requiring more and more effort. Definitely not 20 years old anymore. And been trying this for a solid hour now. There's still a few left in me. I mean, landing that one felt so good. So it's in my head. I can visualize and feel how it is like to land it, so it shouldn't be that hard to do the second. And it's not like when I get into it, I'm completely out of whack every single try. I feel like I'm relatively close, at least on the slide part, when I'm doing the trick. So it's not some kind of Hail Mary thing like most flip tricks are for me. So I'm gonna keep going. I can't leave now. I'm so committed at this point. Every time. Am I wondering why my energy goes so away when half the time you bail, your board goes down in here into some just dirt McGirt land. I feel like I'm gonna jump down and get a nail through my foot or something. It's like so much effort every fucking time. Oh, this is dirty. Please just land one more. Putting in work, serious work. 53%, battery 2. Oh man. Oh, you better be recording. Okay. Coming in hot on 40 years old. Just did the last basic slide grind trick of skateboarding, the backside noseblunt slide. I'm so relieved. And that is the second one. Like I said, the first one, the camera died. So that's technically the second one I've ever done in my life. And I'm very stoked on that. I mean, I think a lot of people who skateboard will likely never do that trick in their life. So that's, damn, I can hardly believe that worked. That was a GoPro battery and a half, probably close to an hour and a half of trying. I'm so happy that worked out. So anyway, if you want to do noseblunt slides, watch Ed Templeton or Josh Kalis. Those are the two that popped into my head. And yeah, that trick of thinking of sliding on the side of the ledge rather than the top, that's the go. So if you want to take advice from someone who's landed it twice, listen to me. Anyway, thanks for watching this old doggy learn a new trick.